Hi all, I want to take you through a quick demo of the Maropost Commerce Cloud Connector for Excel. We will be adding a load more features, but for now I just want to take you through some of the basics, including installing the add-in and getting started. So if you open up your version of Excel, whether it be on Mac or desktop or even web, you can go to Insert at the top here, and you should be able to say Get Add-ins. From here, you can type in Maropost, and you'll be able to add the add-in directly from this store. Once we've added the add-in, you'll see a little icon pop up, and you can click on that to get started. Now, the first thing you need to do is to connect to an existing store. So the way we do that, we go to the stores and we're going to click Add Store. I'm just going to add our demo store. And we have to go through authentication. This will be our OAuth authentication process. We can either enter your store account or for partners, enter the partner account. I'm just going to do that off to the side here. Okay. Now, once it's authenticated, you'll see a little connected, and now you know that the store is connected, and you can start pulling data from it. If you haven't signed up to a plan, you will be limited in the data that you can pull and the number of saves that you can do. So we've limited it to 50 rows. If you're keen to sign up for a paid subscription, then you can purchase a subscription either directly from the add-in, or you can go to our website where you can see information on how to purchase it there. And once you do, you'll be able to see this in the settings from the home page. You'll be able to see your subscription that you can purchase, or if you've already purchased, you'll be able to enter your email here, and that will confirm your subscription. I'm just using a demo for now. This won't be available to you. And once that's validated, you'll see your subscription is active. And now you can go through and pull the full, all your rows of data. So go through the first view here, which is, let's say, fetching your product data. Here we can select the view type. I won't go through the details of that just yet. That is a little bit more advanced. But we can select the columns, SKU, name, and let's say price. We can select any other filters that we want to use here, whatever's approved, and we might want to use the easy to use category selector. We can select whatever ones we want. And then we can either load the preview, that's just a way to quickly load the first 10 rows, I think it is, and just make sure that you're happy with the data, or you can just go ahead and load all that data. Once it's loaded, that's fairly quick. You can make changes directly in Excel. So I'll just change a couple of these pricings here. And then we can click save if we want, and we can see it will automatically highlight your changes that you've saved, and we can save directly to back to Maropost. So if I go back and if I also change the title and we go to preview and save, we now see that's highlighted. We can select which column to save. We may only just want to save the default price, and we can click save, and that will save it directly to Maropost, and it'll confirm that save is that change is saved by coloring in green. And if I load all the data again, we should see that's changed back to the 82, and that's all changed. So that's the first connector, the first view. That's pretty powerful. You can change a lot of your fields. We are adding more in terms of the complex types of the fields. At the moment, it's a lot of just the simple fields that we can change in that product view. I'll go through another one at the moment, which is our product categories matrix. So I'm going to click on a new tab here, and I'm going to create a new view, product category matrix. And from here, we can select let's say the SKU and the name. And what I want to do with this is change some of the product categories for my SKU. So I'm going to select these categories here. This is all just a demo. I'll load all the data. And we can see it's fetched all the categories here, and these values that you see are the priorities. So in the back end of Maropost Commerce Cloud, you'll be able to see each category that a product is assigned to. You'll see a priority, and usually that's 0, but you can put it as 100. It's usually the highest priority item will show in the breadcrumbs, and you can use it for various other applications. But we can see which ones here. So this kids green rip curl hiking jacket has a sports category assigned to it, but not the shoes or the outdoor, because that's blank. We can easily update this. So if I remove this, I might want to add this one as well here. And we can do this in bulk. We can actually add a whole lot of ones that we want to do in bulk. And we can go and click preview and save. Again, we'll identify the changes. So this is to add this here, and we're actually removing this category, and we can save, and that will automatically update all those categories. Just to confirm that, we'll load all that data again. We can see that those changes have been made. You may want to go through and fetch different categories based on a filter and show and have them different to the columns. Now we can do this if we want to, let's say at a sale, I want to fetch everything in the sports, shoes and clothing, but I want to customize a categories column that I see, and I just want to have the daily deals. So I can load all data, so it will fetch everything that is in these categories, and we can just see the daily deals. And that means we can easily go through and we can delete products out of that category, and we can also add a whole bunch in as well. So that makes it really easy, especially if you're moving sales around. You might have a deals category, or a specials category, and you can easily move products into and out of that category. Again, we preview and save. We can see the changes, those that we removed, those that we've added, and we can save it, and that will save it back to the Maropost. The last view I'll take you through very quickly is the warehouse stock matrix view. Again, this is fairly simple. If we just use the category view, we can select our columns that we want, and we can, in the filters, we can select what categories we want to filter from. We can select them all or just a few, and we can select what warehouses we want to load. I'm going to load all that data, and this will show us the quantities available in each warehouse. Again, I can update this completely, and I can click save. Again, it'll identify the changes, and we'll be able to save directly back to the Maropost Cloud Commerce. So that's it for now. I will let you know that this warehouse matrix view doesn't support the advanced inventory at the moment. We're hoping to support that as soon as the API supports it. If you're keen to see us continue to build this product, please show your support. Either purchase a subscription that will let us know that you're keen to see this continue to develop. We've got loads more features that we would love to deliver in the coming weeks and months. Or send us an email. Just go onto the website, send us an email, and let us know what your feature requests are, or let us know if you're interested and want to be kept in the loop for any future updates. Thanks for that.